So I'm trying to fix this camcorder viewfinder, and I can't get it to draw the vertical. And I looked at it on thermal, and I found out that this section was glowing. This little resistor right here was getting to over 180 degrees Celsius. 100 megafarad, 10 volts. It works! Oh my god! Look at that! Looks like it's upside down. Oh right, I adjusted the brightness. Then I go through the buckets. Well, looks like I found the exact same part. Now it's just a matter of getting it on the circuit board. I'm happy with that. Awesome! I'm so happy.